When you think about your divorce, how do you feel?
Like a worthless piece of shit.
And what would you like to feel instead?
I'd like to feel worthy of love. Self-worth.
Okay, close your eyes and feel what is worthlessness.
Abandonment.
Thank you. Feel what is self-worth.
Acceptance of what I am.
Feel what is worthlessness.
Such a deep shame.
Thank you. Feel what is self-worth.
It is the ability to connect with others.
And feel what is worthlessness.
I'm a bad person.
Feel what is self-worth.
It is the elegance of my existence.
What is worthlessness?
It is stigma on my face. I can even feel it physically now.
Feel what is self-worth.
Like a safe space I can enter and feel welcomed. Enough.
I understand. Thank you. Feel what is worthlessness.
It is a space I created between me and others so I don't have to connect.
Notice how ego is formed. Now feel what is self-worth.
I see it now as a responsibility, a role I have to play, and I don't want to.
And notice how they switch sides, the positive and the negative. Feel what is worthlessness.
If I'm worthless, I don't have to deal with things, or people. I'm free.
Thank you. Now feel what is self-worth.
I have to live up to the standards I've made, and it's exhausting. I want to be free.
I understand. Feel what is worthlessness.
It seems I'm suspending myself so I don't have to be anybody. I don't want to exist.
Feel what is self-worth.
Knowing that I can and I deserve the best.
Thank you. Feel what is worthlessness.
Not existing anymore.
Feel what is self-worth.
It is a choice I make.
Feel what is worthlessness.
It is also a choice I make. I see it now. I understand it.
And feel what is self-worth.
It is me.
Okay.
Just me.
And feel what is worthlessness.
It's me.
Are they same on both sides?
Yes.
How do you feel now?
Complete.
And when you think about your divorce, how do you feel?
It seems now as if it's a game I've played, but it was always my choice. I even feel love and gratefulness right now. Thank you, Andrea.